guys. Alright, so I thought that I would do this vlog for me getting ready for a graduation type of event that my daughter has. They call it a baccalaureate. Hope I'm saying that right. And that's what I'm getting ready for. So it is just a graduation ceremony, just a more religious one. It's in a church. A baccalaureate is a religious service. I think that it lasts about an hour, and it's a religious service for the graduating class. And they give a sermon and just respecting and honoring the graduating class. And that's what we're doing. So my daughter is actually she's got her dress that we got in, and we had to get it altered. Oh my gosh, you guys, too many alterations in my life right now. And she has to wear her gown, not her cap, but her gown that she will wear on graduation day, which is in June. So I'm getting ready for that, and unfortunately, I really did not think this day through and what I was going to wear, because I just do not own that many dresses. So I think I have to wear the dress that I bought for her graduation, and maybe I'll just get something else for her graduation. I just went through some of these dresses, and I just did not feel like some of them were, I don't know, I just didn't feel like I was going to be comfortable. There are certain dresses for certain events, you know, that I think depending on, you know, how you feel, you either feel comfortable and stuff like that or you don't. This is actually a cute little dress. I don't know. I'll see if I'll wear this one instead. Yeah, so anyway, I'm about to jump in the shower, and I'm going to do my makeup and show you guys my dress and the whole outfit, and then I think I'm going to stop and get her some flowers. And that's that. I don't know how interesting I'm going to make this vlog, just because, like, right now my brain is focused on getting ready for this, but I didn't want to miss out on this opportunity to just include you guys so that you could see, you know, something, graduation event. I mean, we're in the countdown now, and I'm very excited about it. Super excited about high school coming to an end. I'm thumbs up about it. So I am not sad. I am ecstatic.
rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside this
I am all done getting ready. I really love this dress. I think I showed you guys just the full look. I'm not wearing my heels right now because it's not time for me to go. And that's it. I'm about to go in a couple minutes. I'm not gonna film that process, but maybe I'll get a shot of my daughter in her dress. We'll see.